REHAU is one of the leading system and service suppliers of polymer-based solutions for house, office, and industry building. Innovative REHAU technology is also widely used in many other industrial sectors. Creativity in material development, perfection in the implementation, and the passion for functional design have made the company a global player. Since decades, the company has been strongly involved with the ecological and economical challenges of the present and has invested in energy-efficient solutions for the future. In 2010, it became clear that the head office Southeast Europe in Guntramsdorf near Vienna no longer conformed to today's standards. This was especially true for the oldest building built in 1973. At the beginning of our project, we had two alternatives. On the one hand, refurbishment of the building, a complete renovation. On the other hand, the demolition of the building in connection with perhaps the construction of a new building on a green field. We intentionally decided for the first option, and in this context, we wanted to initiate a model project. A project that focused on the use of renewable energies and also on energy efficiency. An international showcase project was thus launched with the energy-efficient modernization of the head office. The entire innovative product portfolio of REHAU could therefore be applied. The results of decades of experience, technical know-how, and visionary creativity became reality. We are proud to have created a demonstration project here at the Guntramsdorf location that clearly underlines what REHAU is capable of achieving in the area of building construction and renovation. In the long term, the considerable investments in this comprehensive building renovation will prove to be a cost-saving package, because today, the complete company building can be seen as a low-energy house. Building solutions perfectly harmonized with each other, utilize renewable energies, reduce energy losses, and help to sustainably lower operational costs. REHAU Construction stands for Energy-Efficient System Solutions. The economic application at this site saves resources, secures our independence, and thereby sustainably increases the value of our real estate. Together with the University of Braunschweig, REHAU developed a long-term energy monitoring system. The entire energy flow is permanently recorded at different measuring points. The consumption figures, in particular for heating, ventilation, and cooling, can be shown in detail at any time. The perfectly coordinated interaction of building renovation and completely automated building technology lowers the yearly energy requirements by nearly 2/3. The long-term economic advantages for investors, building owners, and building operators will be measurably demonstrated with our energy monitoring system. Thanks to its good condition, the core of the old company building could be preserved. More than mere facelifting was then necessary. A total energetic concept was implemented. The 58 windows and the lift and slide doors of the Genio system have heat insulation glazing and sophisticated multiple chamber technology with a fiber-reinforced profile core. Manufactured from the high-tech material REHAU Fipro, and together with the new building face and outside shading, energy losses are reduced to a minimum. 2 reversible GEO brine water heating pumps for heating and cooling, and a third for wastewater treatment and ventilation support provide a comfortable room climate and high air quality. They are supported by the antimicrobial air and ground heat exchanger Aviduct Thermo that was installed under the new beach volleyball court. The 14 REHAU GEO ground heat exchangers drilled to 100-meter depth in the newly designed inner building court guarantee continuously available energy. This contributes to independence from fossil fuels. 1,500 square meters of underfloor heating and cooling enable a comfortable temperature control. The energy exchange is carried out over a large area and, contrary to conventional solutions, allows for higher flow temperatures during cooling and lower flow temperatures during heating. The domestic installation system REHAU Titan is also future-oriented. It guarantees hygienically clean drinking water, and the premium pipes REHAU Piano Plus provide for noise-protected wastewater drainage. Through the interaction of all REHAU system components, an overall energetic success was achieved in addition to the feeling of well-being for all people who work in this building. We spend an average about 80,000 hours of our life at our workplace. An open modern office room concept must therefore meet the requirements of widely differing demands. It is important that ideal surroundings are provided for communication and for individual concentration. 1,200 square meters of the REHAU acoustic cooling roof were installed in the new head office. This ensures a uniform temperature distribution without air draft or dust turbulence. And, in combination with the patented tambour door system Rauvolet acoustic line, the noise level is lowered as well, because a good working climate can do without noise. We don't build any buildings to save money, but to make a profit. We often talk only about costs and forget about what is really important, the people in the buildings. Only if we feel comfortable are we able to provide value and quality on the long term, and that pays off, as we can prove. Investments in good building engineering, in good architecture, lights and rooms is not a luxury, but economic. Kitchen, lounge and the washrooms of the new company building radiate hygienic comfort. They were implemented using the surface design program REHAU Visio. Together with our Edge Design program, this sets new benchmarks in optical design and haptic functionality. In the outside area, the decking system Relazzo ensures that brainstorming in the fresh air can also be fun. The ecological material REHAU wood that was used was developed by REHAU. It represents a symbiosis between natural woods and plastics and combines unlimited design flexibility with weather resistance and easy cleaning. Energy efficiency is important for REHAU, and meeting the requirements of employees is an essential prerequisite in the creation of a modern working environment. In this respect, architecture and design were also important, both not as a means to themselves, but integrated and directly connected to our business model where people play an important role. People with their requirements, people with their desire for an attractive, efficient and functional working area. REHAU builds the future for people and the environment.